Hi, it's Jackie from Jackie Fleetwood Travels, and today we are visiting House 1, viewing the interior. It's October 18, 2025, and we're just going to walk through, show you some of the improvements. We're in the garage. You can see we've installed the garage door and garage opener. It's been cleaned up quite a bit. We've had the termite protection done. That's the green spray on the wall. We're walking through what was the laundry room and past what was the powder room and going into the kitchen area. And we're kind of just looking around at the island. Off to the right is where the gas line for the stove was installed. We've got the pantry there. And wandering toward the master, here you can see the door hardware has been installed. The doors were reshimmed. All the windows were taken out and remounted. And then we're looking at the double walk-in closets, one on each side, one on the right, one on the left, master bathroom, powder room, double vanities. This area, we've had the plumbing pressure test done, so that was good. Coming through here, this window wasn't installed when we first got in the house. This is the great room area. These doors have been remounted. Looking up toward the front door, you can see Toby's man cave room, which would be the dining room. On the floor plan, all the windows have been fitted, getting some progress there. The front door is Toby's project today. He'll be installing the hardware on that. And walking back towards the back, this is the library office. Got the windows mounted and installed. Everything moving along there. And we'll head down this hallway. Got a little closet on the right. Go back into the front southernmost bedroom, and it's got the vaulted ceiling. This room had a lot of repairs done on the walls. The sheeting was very bad here. The water had run off the roof and hit the wall. This is the Jack and Jill bathroom. Got the little vanity area, goes through to the central bedroom with one window. Give you a little look around there. We're enlarging that closet so that it'll be a walk-in instead of just a shallow closet. Walk through the living room toward the back, and we come up on the third bedroom. There's a little alcove to the left, a little bathroom to the right with an exit out onto the porch. We took the bathtub out and installed a walk-in shower base. There's that bathtub. This is Helen's room. It's a nice big room with two closets, corner windows. As you can see, work is slowly progressing here. And now we walk back out into the great room with those beautiful back doors looking out over the backyard. Thank you. Like and subscribe to Jackie Fleetwood Travels. Thank you.